It was inspired by Weather Star 4000 video, Dmitry Mikhailov the Disney fan, Emerald Phantom 2022, Lakota Baryovian Dirk's Nightmare, Walter Lewis the Dondwe, and PTAVC2K4 Fan 2K9, and various users.
I'm going to get a Coke from the vending machine. What? And my Coke? Are you kidding me this? My Coke is stuck. I will insert with another coin. He doesn't always give me my Coke. He doesn't move. That's it. I'm going to break the vending machine. Now finally, now I'm going to grab my Coke. Now, I'm going to buy a purple grape Fanta. Oh no, is my elder sister Sirply. Hey Sinky, you are the one who broke the vending machine? Yes, I broke it, because the vending machine wouldn't let me give my Coke and got stuck. Sinky, how dare you break the vending machine? You know the vending machine, it is very expensive. Also, you know breaking a vending machine you can get arrested. That's it. We go home, and you're grounded for 60 days. Wah!